How to recover deleted drafts of Instagram story. If any day you're an Instagram user and you would like to recover the deleted drafts of the Instagram story but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search Instagram out there. After that, you have to tap on the Instagram application, and this way, Instagram will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you can go to the profile section in the down portion and then go to the three lines on the top. After that, you have to go to the option of settings and privacy and then go to the option of the account center there. After you go to the option of the account center, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of your information there. After you tap on the option of the your information and permissions, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of download your information and tap on that. After you tap on the option of the download your information and tap on the option of download or transform the information, and then go to the option of the next here. And after you tap on the option of the next, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of the all the available information here, and after you tap on the option of the all the available information, now it will take you to a next page here. Now you can also download the information to your very device, or you can also transfer to other any kind of destination that you want. You can tap on the option of next once again, and after that you can just create the files that may be in the format of the HTML, that may be in the format of the JSON, and you can just create the files and download it, and this way you can find all of those files. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.